Good morning, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to day 4, which is our last day of our sneaky peeks for the 83rd edition release. I am really excited about today's project. I thought I would switch it up a bit, okay? I was going to make a card with these, but I figured, you know what? I think I want to do something of like a home decor. Not necessarily home decor, but like a 3D item. Something that you could actually all utilize this for, since this holiday's coming up real fast. I'm going to show you the dies first. So these are our dies that we are showcasing today. This is called the Little Stitched Leaf dies. And there are a total of 5 dies in here. And I love the way these came out. So I am going to show you what we are going to make today. So I think I'm going to have to zoom out just so we could see. Just so you could actually see it. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so here we go. We are going to make this little napkin. We're going to put the leaves on this little napkin holder here that my mom made for me. And she even had these napkins for me, so she ironed them for me and everything. So anyways, so I thought this would be cool to make. I tried to do it with a different material, but it wasn't working because I want the stitching to show up and the little cut lines to show up. And I really like the way it came out. Super simple. Just go in your backyard, grab some greens. Like you could put like eucalyptus in here. I have rosemary. You could put thyme. Something just to kind of dress it up, to give it some kind of color. And I think it's really pretty. I was at Hobby Lobby today and I picked up this paper. A lot of specialty paper I picked up. And hopefully I don't blind you with this, but this is it right here. It's like a copper color, and that's what we're using for the leaves today. So we're going to go ahead and put one together so you could see how easy it is to throw this together. And my mom's going to give me the website on where she actually got this idea from. You know what it is? It's actually like you could use a, what do you call that? A paper towel holder, the little cardboard for it, and you could get so many out of there, or like a toilet paper holder, but I think she used a paper towel holder. I'm almost positive that's what she told me. And then she just got some ribbon from the dollar store, and just looks like she just wrapped it around and just tucked it in. Yeah, I don't think she used any glue. I remember her saying that she didn't need to use any glue. So what we're going to do, so as soon as she finds out that link where she got it from, I'll go ahead and link it to my blog, to this post, so this way you could see basically how she made it. Apparently it was really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and put this, I think I'm going to put the towel in the little, what do you call that? The napkin in here first, because I found that was the most easiest to work with. So we're going to go ahead and just put that in there first, like so. Okay, so let me just zoom out just a hint more. So what we're going to do first, before we put anything on here, I have my hot glue gun heating up there. So I cut the little swirly guy. I cut him out twice because we're going to need him 2 times like we did with this right here. 1 on each end. Now remember, they're all not going to look the exact same. They're all going to be a little different, okay? So what I'm going to do, let me grab my glossy. We're going to use my glossy accents, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just put some adhesive here on the actual, on this little swirly thingy there. And I'm going to put it behind here. Just like so. Kind of hold that down for a little bit. I don't want to keep touching the front and get glue on the front. So let me kind of just hold it down like this. I don't want to touch it with my fingers. Okay, so there we go. We got one side down. And then we're going to go ahead and put adhesive on here as well. Am I doing it the right way? No, I'm not. Hold on. Putting it on the wrong side. We're going to put it on this side here. Alright. I don't know. Did I have it the right way? I'm confused. And this... Okay, there we go. And that's going to go like that. So I'm just going to hold it down just a tad. I'm going to go ahead and just push it down. Actually, oopsie. Now it'll all come together once we hot glue gun this bad boy down here. Just going to push it down. Uh-oh. You know what happened? I forgot I put the glue on both sides. That's why it's not sticking very well. So let me use some more. There we go. All right, let's try this again. All right, so now we got it there. So I'm just going to hold it down for a quick minute, and then we're going to go ahead and arrange these guys on here. Probably like so. So I'm going to start putting the adhesive on here. And I love this leaf because it looks like a little heart. Okay, we're going to put that like so. And that will also help that other portion there as well. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and slip that on under there. There we go. Okie dokie, okie dokie. So now we're going to put this away because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun to put it onto the actual napkin holder here. So let me... Okie dokie. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my glue gun. Just put a little bit right here. Kind of want to put it on the little parts where it wasn't sticking all the way. Now it's not going to go nowhere. There we go. So I'm just going to, I don't want to push it down too much because it is hot. So let's use this to hold it down just like that. And then, oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the rosemary. I'm going to go run and cut a branch off really quick. So that's going to go like so. And then what I did was I added some bling. We definitely need some bling. Let me grab that really fast. Okie dokie. So I have the little sequins right there. And then we're just going to go ahead and just adhere them in the center of each leaf. Just to give it a little extra. Like so. And then this one we'll put right here. Now, keep in mind that all of your napkins are not going to look identical, okay? So don't think they all have to be perfect. They don't. Okay. There we go. Okay, and let me go grab our greenery for this really quick. Okay, I went to go get the rosemary. Now, keep your fingers crossed, everyone, that I got the last footage of putting this together. Because for some reason when I came back, the light just kept blinking and it said restoring stuff. I was like, oh my God. So let's pray. So what I did is I turned it off and I plugged it in for a little bit. So I'm getting ready to load this up soon. So pray. Keep your fingers crossed for me, everyone, that it does work. Okay, so I just got just a little sprig of rosemary. Now you could use that. You don't even have to put this in. I just love bringing the outdoors in. I think it looks pretty awesome. So that is it, everyone. And like I said, no two are going to be alike. As you can see, there's a difference between the both already. But I really like the way they came out So that is it, everybody. Today is the last day of Sneaky Peeks. Everything that we showcase this week will be available tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is September 21st, 2018. Now, very important, I just want to let you all know there is no freebie this time around, but I am going to be giving the first 50 shoppers a one-time coupon. Okay, so basically, if you're one of the first 50 shoppers, and what you're going to do when you place your order, you know how we always include your invoice in with your order. Do not throw your invoice away, because you are going to have your coupon code. I'm going to put like a little sticker. There's going to be a little sticker on your actual, not invoice, like the packing slip, you know what I'm saying, or slash invoice. So yeah, so definitely do not throw that away, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where your coupon code is going to be. It will be on that paper on a sticker, and it's a one-time only. You could use it anytime, with the exceptions. You cannot use that along when there's a sale, because we can't double coupon in the store. So definitely it's a one-time only coupon, and you will get it in your packages. So I am giving that to the first 50 shoppers, okay? So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put a note on my blog where we start out at, that invoice, and then where we end up at. And then so all you'll have to do is just look at your invoices and see, you know, check your confirmation email and check out the invoice number. And if that was one of them, if one of those invoice numbers is yours, and then you'll be receiving a coupon code it'll be in your packages when you place your orders. Okay, everyone? So that is a wrap, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our Sneaky Peeks. I really enjoyed this one because I super love fall, just anything that has to do with not hot weather. This is my favorite time of the year. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, tomorrow, everything will be available for purchase. And also, don't forget to hop along with us. We are having a blog hop. So, and that will start on my blog tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So just to give you even more inspiration, I cannot wait to share with you my project tomorrow. I had so much fun creating it. And that's it. And also don't forget to use the coupon code tomorrow when you place your order. There is a coupon code, and it's September 2018. It is abbreviated. Now keep in mind, the T is not on there. It's just SEP 2018. Okay, so SEP 2018. That is your coupon code. You're going to use that at checkout to get your discount off of your entire purchase. The only thing that coupon, your coupon code that you're using this Friday for the sale, it actually applies to in-stock items only. If I were to sell out any of the new release items, I will make those available for pre-order, so this way you could take advantage of the sale price. And that's it, everybody. So have a fabulous, fabulous day, and don't forget to join us back here tomorrow for a fun blog hop. Okay, everybody? So thanks for tuning in. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to head on over to my blog to see if you are the lucky winner of yesterday's Sneaky Peeks, and to go ahead and comment on everybody's blog for a chance to win these beautiful little the little stitch leaf dies. Okay, everybody? Again, have a fabulous day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.